Hello. On the onset, let me introduce to you the reason why we are here today. The reason for us all being here today is these students. On my right, on this side, you will see that these are the Buntain Theological College, BTC students, whose academic path is different. Yet, they have chosen to do a short course, to enhance their life skills. On my right hand side, you will see these are the aspiring hospitality personnel who are doing a one-year course, and they aspire to be in the industry, in the hospitality industry, in 1 year's time. And now we must introduce to you Chef Shivaji Shom. Chef Shom is our food and beverage production faculty. Let me introduce myself. I am Anil John. I am a graduate from the Taratala Institute of Hotel Management, Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition in the year 1986. I began my career with the Taj Group of Hotels at the Taj Mahal Hotel in Mumbai. Since then, I have worked extensively in several fields such as institutional catering, outdoor catering, cruise catering, and several others. So I'm here, I head this program. Please feel free to contact the numbers or the address. Thank you.